Spandana Institute of Commerce, Dishuknagar, Hyderabad. Phone number 9700663688. Today our present topic is calculation of profit. Calculation of profit. When profit on sales given in the question, when profit on cost given in the question. So that's why calculation of profits method can be divided into two types. First one, profit on sales method, profit on cost method. Here in the method 1, I am explaining about the profit on sales method. Under this profit on sales method, again there are two methods are applicable. First one, if given sales value as well as profit on sales percentage given. Second method, when given cost value as well as profit on sales percentage given in the question. In the both cases, how we should calculate profit, I am explaining presently at here. First one, if given sales or when given sales in the sales amount in the question as well as profit percentage on sales given in the question, in that case how can we should calculate, how can we should ascertain profit amount and as well as cost amount, that is our present discussion. First one, I am taking one of the example, sales given as rupees 10,000. Also given in the question, profit 20% on sales, means 20% on sales profit when given in the question. How we should calculate profit amount, how we should calculate cost amount, that is I am asking. Question number 1, profit is equal to how much? Question number 2, cost is equal to how much? In generally, every businessman sell their goods with some of the profit, means addition to the cost. Some of the profit they can add to the cost. After that, how much value will become, that value called as a sales. Now that's why I am showing one of the equation. As a one of the equation, sales value is equal to, in the sales value includes cost value as well as profits. That's why I am showing one of the equation here. Sales is equal to cost plus profit. Cost plus profit is equal to sales. Now in my question here I am taken as a profit 20% on sales. That's why when profit 20% on sales given in the question, please assume yourself here on sales they are specified, 20% on sale they are specified. That's why percentage always equals to the sales. That's why I am assuming as a sales is equal to 100, profit is equal to 20. These both values I am applying in the one of the equation, in this equation, right? Sales is equal cost plus profit. Now sales already as per our example here I am taken as a sales is equal 100. That's why that 100 I am in what I call presenting in applying it here 100%. Cost I don't know, we don't know. Next profit given as 20. So in this 100, 20% profit included as well as some of the cost portion is included. Now please carry forward this 20% at each year. 100 minus 20 is equal cost. Cost become as 80%. Now I am getting the profit now with the one of the equation. Now we know 100% equivalent of sales value directly given in the question as 10,000 rupees. Given as in the question 10,000, right? So here I have, that's why I am taken as a 100% equivalent sales given as 10,000. What about the 20% equivalent of profit? Profit is equal to 10,000 into 20 by 100. 20 by 100 is equal to 2,000 rupees. As well as I am showing how calculate the calculation of cost. First one, in our example, cost for sales portion is equal to 100, profit portion is equal to 20, cost portion is equal to 80. So 100% of portion of sales given as a 10,000, 100% equivalent of sales given as 10,000. What about the 80% cost portion? 80% cost is equal to how much? Cost is equal to 10,000 into 80 by 100, 8,000 rupees. Next, it is the first one. When sales amount is given, when amount of the sales given, as well as 20% of sales given the question. As well as in the second example I am explaining. So when profit 20% on sales given as well as cost value of the cost given the question. In this case, how can we calculate the profit? In the first example, sales amount we know, percentage on sales also we know. In the second example, amount of sales we don't know. Only cost value of the sales we know. So as well as 20% on sales also they are given in the question. Right, now I am presenting this value set here, Nana. So sales is equal cost plus profit in this equation. Please assume yourself profit is equal 20% on sales given the question. That's why please assume yourself sales is equal to 100, profit is equal to 20. Now cost become as similarly 80%. Now 80% equivalent of cost directly given in the question as 8,000. Right? So 80% cost 8,000. What about the 20% profit? Profit is equal to 8,000 into 20 by 80. 20 by 80. So 80% equivalent of cost given as 8,000. What about the 20% portion of the profit? 2,000. Right? Similarly, how we should calculate the sales value? Right? 80% cost value they are given in the question 8,000. What about the 100% equivalent of sales? Sales is equal to 8,000 into 100 by 80, 10,000. Okay. If you are what I call satisfied with my video, please share what I call put the like, Nana. Right?